Petition, Robin Swann.
Thank you very much, Madam Deputy Speaker. The removal of agricultural property relief and business property relief on inheritance tax on farms will have a devastating impact on family farms across this country. In Northern Ireland, the family structures of our farms, their size compared to elsewhere in the United Kingdom, the significant price of land and the disparity between DEFRA and DAERA statistics on the number of Northern Ireland farms that will be impacted by this change is why the Ulster Farmers Union petition opposing the removal gathered over 15,000 signatures. I urge the Government to take note of this petition and ask the Chancellor to meet the farming unions. To that extent, Madam Deputy Speaker, the petitioners therefore request that the House of Commons urge the Government to take immediate action to stop the removal of the agricultural property relief and business property relief on inheritance tax on farms, and the petitioners remain. I so move.
Petition, family farm tax.